when suspects steal police cars. Stealing a police car takes a crime to a whole new level. It's a dangerous, unpredictable, and life-threatening situation for everyone involved. Today, we'll take you through some of the most shocking moments when suspects went from breaking the law to hijacking police vehicles, leading to chaos and destruction. Case number 1, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, January 27th. First suspect is Jetrin Rodthong. An officer found himself in what seemed like a routine pullover, which turned into a shootout real quick.
Sir!
No, that's the user responding. You have to call. I'll call over to you.
Yeah. I'm Officer Davis, Milwaukee Police.
Yeah.
What's going on here? What's that? What's going on? What'd you take? What'd you take?
I was drinking.
You were what?
Drinking?
Drinking?
Yeah.
What were you drinking?
Alcohol.
Oh, what type of alcohol?
Tishy.
3260.
60.
All right, sir. Did you take any drugs today? You just drinking? Okay.
But things quickly spiraled out of control even more when the suspect stole a police car and fled the scene.
Do you need any medical attention? Medical is coming, though. They're going to just tell them that you don't want their help if you don't need it. But yeah, someone called about you, said that you weren't getting up. And then when I got here, you were just sitting here. You have an ID on you?
No.
You don't? Okay.
60 medical attention.
It was a shocking reminder of how dangerous being a police officer can be. You never know who you're dealing with or what they're capable of. The chase ended in a crash, injuring innocent people and showing the true cost of a suspect's recklessness.
I need medical!
Rodthong has since been charged and pleaded not guilty. He is awaiting trial. While Officer Davis was shot and had injuries to his left shoulder and left flank from the suspect's gunfire, the bullet that entered his shoulder traveled into his chest near his sternum. He walked out of the hospital the next day. Case number 2, Phoenix, Arizona, March 12th. An officer fatally shot a homeless man after he attempted to steal the officer's car. Despite the tragic outcome, the officer did not face any charges.
Let's go, gentlemen.
It started with a bus evacuation, where a suspect followed orders to leave the bus, but quickly escalated when he stole a police car.
Off the bus. It's done. The bus is stopped here. It's not going any further.
Suspect left the bus and things are about to go horribly wrong. His escape attempt didn't last long, as officers were forced to take extreme measures, fatally wounding the suspect before he could do further harm. Case number 3, Denver, Colorado, October 21st. Unfortunately, there's not much information available about this case, aside from the fact that the officer who allowed her car to be stolen faced disciplinary action. The police department emphasized that such an incident should never happen.
Get on the ground!
What began as disobedience turned into a full-blown pursuit when the suspect stole a police vehicle and led officers on a high-speed chase.
Get on the ground! Adam, he just stole the patrol car, westbound 6th Avenue, 4330.
Even after being caught, the suspect refused to comply, leaving the officers with no choice but to use deadly force.
Get out of here!
The emotional toll on law enforcement is immeasurable when they are forced to take a life in the line of duty. Each of these cases highlights the unpredictable nature of law enforcement, where a simple stop can turn into a life-or-death situation in seconds. If you found these stories gripping, make sure to subscribe for more viral body cam footage. Stay aware, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next episode.